Good morning, Khushi, Taru. Everyone, good morning. I'll start by 11:35. Good morning, Veeram. Good morning, Riyanshi. Good morning, Ayush, Astha. Hmm. Okay. Yes, Veeram. Hmm. Removed. Now, please check. Otherwise, he will come by other name. 5 मिनट तक मैंने टाइम दिया है ना, तो वो किसी के भी नाम से एंट्री कर सकता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज चेक योर नेम कि आप लोगों के नाम से कोई दूसरा बच्चा तो अंदर नहीं आ गया है, फिर पूरी क्लास में परेशान करेगा. अर्पित, देशना एंड हर्षिता. व्हाट अबाउट ऑडियो? इट इज नॉट विजिबल. ऑडियो विजिबल नहीं होता है तुम लोगों का. वेलकम वीरम. अर्पित, बेटा अपना वीडियो दिखाइए. आई वांट टू सी फेस. अर्पित, Okay, now let's start. So students, today I am showing you the questions of 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. But before that question, I am having answers of that question also. But before discussion of that question, let's check out some of the instant topics of life process. So we will move on like this. We will go on with the chapter wise. First we will discuss with the life process, then the next chapter, and then there are 4 chapters: life process, then reproduction, then heredity and then environment. So हम ऐसे move on करेंगे और you will be getting 2 marks, 3 marks question and 5 marks question, even 1 mark question also. So in this week you have 3 periods. One period already I had taken, that is on Monday. So leave that. From today onwards, we will start with this. Tomorrow, I'll ask question based on that chapter and that topic which I am giving you today itself. And the question will be of 1 mark or 2 mark. तो आपको 1 और 2 mark का question ready रखना है. Questions मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, answers भी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. Yes, and you have to write it in the copy itself. मुझे copy चाहिए, ठीक है? हाँ, और आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन प्रोजेक्ट जो मैं ऑलरेडी वी हैड गिवन, even I had also given, and the last date for that is 30th of this month, 30th or 31st of this month. So concentrate on that also. Now I am going to start. So this is the chapter life process. Any doubt, any confusion, you can write in chat. Ha, that is over, Veeram. So this is the life process, little bit introduction of this chapter. Now please don't do any discussion. Life process, this is the syllabus. In this chapter you will came to know about the nutrition, respiration, transport and excretion in plant. So this is just a quick review of the chapter. This is the life process. What we are going to know in this chapter, you already know everything, but still all living thing perform certain life process: growth, excretion, respiration and circulation. These are the processes what a living thing follow: growth hona, digestion, then respiration, circulation and the excretion. So autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs, they can prepare their own food and they are only the plants and some of the bacteria. Yes, Punya, what doubt in respiration? Okay, we will move on with the doubts. ठीक है, हम आगे आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, आप अपना doubts बीच में पूछते जाना. I'll tell you that also. Heterotrophs, the organisms, they can synthesize their own food and they completely dependent on autotrophs and the other organic substances. ठीक है, so heterotrophs में आपके पास क्या आता है? Carnivorous, omnivorous and one more, that is herbivorous. तो photosynthesis का process, the utilization of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight to prepare food with the help of chlorophyll is the photosynthesis. Many are there in waiting room. They don't know the time. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अ प्रोसेस, liver secretes. One question you got in the exam also, what is the function of bile juice and what is the function of liver. So here is the point that it emulsifies the fats. In human, the digestion is of food takes place in the alimentary canal with the various organs with the help of the glands. So there are some of the points, key points which you will remember, and these key points are helpful for the 1 mark question. तो ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिएगा कि 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन में आप इस तरह के वर्ड्स का यूज कर सकते हैं. Work of bile juice, they break down the fat. ये फैट पार्टिकल्स जो हम जितना भी फैटी चीज खाते हैं, बाइल का काम होता है उसको तोड़ना. एंड यू ऑल नो द हैवीएस्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ अवर बॉडी इज ओनली लिवर. जूस एंड सॉल्ट इज सेम. बाइल सॉल्ट नहीं बोलते हैं उसको, हमेशा बाइल जूस ही बोला जाता है, बाइल सॉल्ट नहीं बोला जाता है. सो द फंक्शन ऑफ माउथ, क्या करता है माउथ? सी दिस इज अ फ्लो चार्ट. तो कभी कभी जब हम डायग्राम नहीं बना पाते या हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम होता है, सो वी कैन टेक द आंसर्स इन दिस वे बाय सॉल्विंग अ फ्लो चार्ट. दिस इज वन. माउथ का क्या काम है? फंक्शन ऑफ माउथ, इनसाइड द माउथ टीथ एंड टंग, intake of food, chewing, rolling of food, tasting of food, then pushing of food. One person has entered by the VP ma'am's name, Mini 1251. Yes. Hello, ma'am. मेरी 1 to 5 4 5 तक है, वो क्लास में मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि today's class children do self study, don't waste your time, God bless. And सुनो ना, आप मैं और बता रही हूँ, 2 मिनट रुको. लिखा है फिर लिखा मैम house students today is holiday, you all can leave, ma'am and the class VP ma'am here. मैम आप प्लीज मेरी क्लास में घुस के ना. Okay, he left that student left the class. He is the fake person. So students, चलो ये होता ही रहेगा तुम्हारी क्लास में, तुम लोगों को पढ़ने नहीं दिया जाएगा. So just move on to the next topic. Tongue, the function of tongue. Secretes saliva with mucus, and that saliva contains starch, salivary amylase, and the salivary, that is the saliva. हाँ वीरम, that is the disturbing creature. मैंने अभी फोन किया मैम को, मैम नहीं थे, वो वीपी मैम नहीं थे. ठीक है. So this is the esophagus. Esophagus long tube है, स्टमक से जो कनेक्ट करती है हमको. तो यस, लाइजोसोम्स. ठीक है, लाइजोसोम्स. तो ये कॉन्ट्रैक्शन पेरिस्टेलिक मूवमेंट 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन आता है. द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड एक्सपांशन ऑफ द मसल्स ऑफ द esophagus, that is the peristaltic. Then stomach, gastric glands secretes gastric juice. The gastric juice gland secretes juice, so that is the gastric juice. Pepsin, HCl, and the mucus. Pepsin contains the enzymes for the breakdown of protein. HCl acidic बनाता है, ठीक है. And the mucus, the protect lining, अंदर एक चिकनाहट बनी रहती है स्टमक में, जिससे जो फूड है वो इजिली फ्लोट करके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सके. Then next is the small intestine. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में सबसे पहले तो एंजाइमेटिक एक्शन होता है पूरा. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स ये सारे टूटे जाते हैं. एंड व्हाट इट फॉर्म्स, ग्लूकोज, फैटी एसिड्स एंड ग्लिसरॉल्स, देन अमीनो एसिड्स. अगेन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में विलाई होता है, स्मॉल ब्रश लाइक प्रोजेक्शन होता है, स्मॉल हेयर्स होते हैं जो कि हेल्प करता है एब्जॉर्ब करने में फूड को. देन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का फंक्शन बहुत ज्यादा होता है. और एक चीज याद रखो, द लॉन्गेस्ट ट्यूब इज द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, नॉट द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. लॉन्गेस्ट ट्यूब हमारे स्टमक में जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन होती है, अकॉर्डिंग टू एज, अगर आप एडल्ट क्रॉस कर दिए हो तो सो दैट द लेंथ ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज फ्रॉम 5 to 7 मीटर. इतना बड़ा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन होता है. तो स्वाभाविक है कि जो उसका फंक्शन होगा दैट विल ऑल्सो बी लॉन्ग. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन receives secretion from liver, bile, and then pancreas. ये आपके सामने है. बाइल जूस क्या करता है, लिवर क्या करता है, and then pancreatic juice क्या करता है. And at last, that is large intestine, absorbs करता है excess water and throw away the waste product from the body. तो ये complete आपके सामने एक elementary canal रहा. ठीक है. इसके बाद we move on to the respiration topic. Exchange of gases, intake of oxygen from the atmosphere and release of carbon dioxide, breathing, cellular respiration, breakdown of simple food in order to release energy inside the cell. ठीक. अब respiration तुमको एक फ्लो चार्ट के फॉर्म में समझाया है What is respiration? So respiration, breakdown of glucose by various pathways. The glucose का formula होता है C6H12O6, 6 carbon sugar, it breaks into, नहीं निकल गया, ये लिखा है मैम, मैंने भी प्रिंसिपल मैम को भी मैसेज किया, देखो तो सर.
Children, do self-study. Don't waste your time. God bless. मैं ऐसे लिखती हूँ.
और एक और
क्या है? Students, hi. Students, today is holiday. You all can leave. Ma'am, end the class. VP ma'am here. Look at that. Look at that. I want this. कैसे मिलेगा इसको?
So students, you just read this flow chart for a while.
Can
कैमरा ऑन क्यों हो रहा है? प्रिंस सर इधर आइए तो.
कैमरा नहीं है.
कैमरा ऑन कर दीजिए बस.
ऑन तो है.
नहीं फेस देख सकें, अपना दिखा सकें.
Good morning, students. Can you hear me? Students, can you hear me? Just raise your hands. Yes, you can see. Now, whoever is doing this mistake, whoever is doing this, creating this problem, you guard your thoughts, beta. That's the only thing I have to say. Entering in the class in my name and creating all the problems for the teacher. If you're not interested to study, you might as well stay out of the class, no problem. But those who are interested in studying, let them study. And guard your thoughts, watch your deeds. One day it will be paid back. It should not be a loss for you. That's only my concern. So students, please be very careful because we reap what we sow. So don't repeat this mistake ever again, any one of you. Entering in the name of vice principal and principal and creating problem in the class. Not allowing the teacher to teach when there are only 3 months left for the exams. It's a loss for you, not for the school. Try to understand that. I don't want to go into the detail, digging the grave, who did, why, and all those investigation. I'm not doing it because nobody is greater than God. God sees the truth, but waits and gives the punishment. Let us all be aware of it. Yes, again, God bless you. Madam, please continue the class.
Okay, students. वीरम, लीव दैट टॉपिक. मुझे उस टॉपिक पे किसी से कोई बात ही नहीं करनी है. जो अच्छे बच्चे हैं उनके आंसर्स मुझे दिख गए उनकी आंसर शीट में, और जो बच्चों ने गूगल में जाके गूगल बाबा से पूछा है उनके आंसर्स भी मुझे दिख गए. तो ये सब कुछ मैम ने अभी बोला ना, व्हाट यू विल रीप व्हाट यू विल गेट. तो सेम विद मी, जो तुम बोगे वही तुम काटोगे. छोड़ो, हटाओ. here is a breakdown of glucose by various pathways. तुमको ग्लूकोज का फॉर्मूला पता है. sometimes it is asked what is the formula of glucose and how many carbons are there in the formula of glucose. तो ये चीज तुमको याद होनी चाहिए. yes, Naitik, lack of oxygen, lactic acid forms. So this, now there are the two types of respiration जो तुमने पढ़ा था. one is the aerobic and another is the anaerobic. तो anaerobic में lactic acid is formed and aerobic में, with the absence of anaerobic, the lactic acid is formed. It occurs in cytoplasm and product is alcohol and lactic acid. So 2 marks question I had given in the test or in that exam also कि what is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic. तो तुमने उसमें लिखा हुआ था. Some of you have only given 2 examples, two differences. One is presence and absence, and another is lactic acid, alcohol, and carbon dioxide and water. But apart from that 2, we have 2 more differences. One is occurs in mitochondria and occurs in cytoplasm and release more amount of energy and less amount of energy. So there are some of the points. That closing and opening of the stomata, carbon dioxide at night and oxygen during the day. This is a flow chart of nostril, pathway of entering the nostril, the air entering the nostril. So nostril, then nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, trachea. Abhi, in this exam also you have got 1 2-mark question in the 5 marks questions pattern, that you have to draw the diagram and you have got the 4 labelings. You have to label only that 4 labeling. ये तुमने अभी तुमको मिला था. Yes, thank you for replying, Veera. So now अब लंग्स के बाद हम आते हैं सीधे डायरेक्टली हार्ट में, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन कहाँ जाएगा, अल्टीमेटली वो हार्ट में जाएगा, ऑक्सीजनेटेड एंड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड. अब इतना पार्ट जो है तुम्हारा, on the basis of this, arteries and veins, these are the differences, their blood circulation, double circulation, ये भी तुमको बताया है. अब मैं तुमको इसके बाद बाकी हम प्लांट वाला पार्ट अभी छोड़कर I'll move on to the next part, that is the question based on this. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, write it in copy and learn it well. Tomorrow I'll ask before going to the next topic. तो ये है आपका first question. Which tissue transports soluble of photosynthesis, soluble product of photosynthesis? Name the tissue that transport water and mineral in plants. Then next question, define peristaltic movement. देखो ये सारे 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन है एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस केम इन सम ऑफ द schools. This, what is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? These all are 1 mark question. What is emulsification? ये भी मैंने तुमको बताया था कि emulsification आएगा उस दिन जब हम पेपर के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे. And where does digestion of fats takes place in our body? State the location and the function of gastric glands. What is the role of acid in our stomach? State the function of digestive enzymes. Mention the site of complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, fats and in humans. So, इतना आपके पास 1 mark में आ सकता है. You have 1 mark question, only 10 questions of this chapter. अभी तक हमने जितना पढ़ा है, ठीक है? Then move on to the 2 mark question. आपके पास अब questions की quantity बढ़ती जाएगी. So first question is, state one difference between autotrophic, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This opens stomatal pore of a leaf and label on the chloroplast and guard cell. This is, now be ready. This time you will not get direct questions. अब आपको questions में changes मिलेगा. No, that will not come Ayush. अभी नहीं आएगा. हाँ, I understand. अभी वो इतना detailed में नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, तो ये आपका एक डायग्राम हो गया. Where do plants get each of the raw materials required for photosynthesis? Third question. And here also, अच्छा हाँ. Now fourth question here. In nutrition, a necessity for an organism, discuss. Write any 2 events that occur during photosynthesis. Which is the internal energy reserve in plants? Do animals have the same energy reserves? What would happen if green plants disappear from the earth? Little application analyzing based question. So you will get different 5 types of questions. Means based on knowledge, based on comprehension, based on application, based on analyzing. ठीक है, उसके बाद लास्ट में टीचर इवेलुएट करेगा. Why does herbivores have longer intestine than carnivores? मैंने अभी तुम्हारे को पूछा भी था एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. Then 9th question, mention the site of complete digestion in our body. Name the products formed on the complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. And the last 10th question, only 10 questions. सिर्फ आज आपको 2 marks के 10 question learn करने हैं and write it in copy. Tomorrow or today only you will submit your copy to me. 10 questions of 2 marks this chapter. 10 questions of 1 mark same chapter. ये आज के आज ही आपने सबमिट करना है. Then how is small intestine designed to absorb digested food? तो be ready ना, ये आपके पास पूरे होने चाहिए. Yes, in WhatsApp. Everyone will submit this in WhatsApp. ठीक, तो अब हमने ऐसी ही तैयारी करनी है. And be ready with 20 questions tomorrow. Complete your work today itself and submit your copy today itself and learn it properly. क्योंकि कल मैं तुम लोगों से पूछूंगी या फिर तुम्हारे को क्लास से रिमूव करूंगी. अब ऐसे ही होने वाला है. Take it. अभी ले सकते हो स्क्रीनशॉट. You have 2 minutes left. See, 10 questions, 10 or 9 ये हो गया. Then all these questions 8, 7, 6, 3. अभी आपके पास ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं है कि भाई मेरे पास आंसर्स नहीं है. मैं तुमको आंसर्स भी दे रही हूँ, मैं तुमको ये भी बता रही हूँ कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन किस ईयर में आया हुआ है. नहीं, no, I will not send. You discuss among yourself. मांगो एक दूसरे से. Even I am also in this PC. So here your 2 marks question over. अब तुम्हारे पास है इधर 1 mark question. तो 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 हो गया आपका. and this is 1, 2 and 3. Upside, Subrat, which part of upside, matlab which mark, how much mark wala question, which marks? Yes, you can do from that 2 marks. Okay, ये है तुम्हारा 2 marks. ठीक है, now few seconds are left. Be ready. Every time disturbing elements will come and disturb your class, but avoid that. हमें उससे fight करके आगे बढ़ना है और अच्छा देना है एग्जाम. Okay, bye, have a great day.